What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all having a great weekend and had a great weekend. It's almost over. And in this video I quickly wanted to make, and I already announced that in the Discord, which if you haven't joined it yet, make sure to join that for some great trades and other resources around the Cilinix Crypto community. But in this video I wanted to explain how you can easily follow my trades. Alright, using copy trading on Bybit. Bybit is the exchange I use for trading, has the lowest fees in the industry, so I would definitely recommend you using that. But I also wanted to open an account as a principal trader so you can easily follow my trades without having to do anything. You just need to have USDT or crypto in your wallet. USDT, I think so. In your copy trading wallet on Bybit. That's the only thing you have to do, and you have to follow me. So in this video I wanted to show you how to first of all register, how to put some money in your wallet, and how to follow me. Whether you would like to do that or not is completely up to you. You can follow my trades again in the Discord, in the trade setups channel, and that way you can determine whether you feel comfortable following me or whether you don't want to do that. If you do want to do that, this video is for you. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to register for Bybit, all right? And the link for that will be down in the description, but I will also show you how to do that right now. All right, so we're now on the website of Bybit, as you can see. First thing you're gonna have to do, and you can use the link down in the description, that's the best way to do that, is you're gonna have to sign up, all right? You can get some great bonuses. If you click the link down in the description, it will immediately bring you to this page. Here you're gonna have to sign up, create an account, so you can easily do that again with the link down in the description. I will quickly log in and I will see you all soon again. Alright, so once you have logged in, you will get to this screen. Alright, under assets you can see I put a small amount of USDT on the account for now. Here you can actually transfer your money to. You have to get it to your spot first, I think. So you have to deposit that, and then you can transfer it to your derivatives account, and you have to do that too under transfer. So you have to do it from spot to derivatives. First, get the money on your account. Bybit is 100% safe. If you don't know it, it's a major trading exchange. First, you have to deposit that on the spot, then transfer to the derivatives wallet, and then you have to go to copy trading. That is what we're using to actually follow my trades. And now is a good time to also tell you that this copy trading, even though it's great and you can follow me, I won't be able to trade all the trades I normally take, because copy trading on Bybit only allows you to do market orders, all right? So you really have to get into the order when the price is at a certain level, and usually I use limit orders, all right? So that is one thing that I don't really like that much. However, we're going to have to do it with them, but I will only enter a trade once I really think it's safe. All right. So you get to copy trading right here. Here you can see some other copy traders. I will also put a link in the description, which after you create an account, if you click on that link, you can immediately follow my copy trading account. All right. Then you have to go to User Center right here. I will share my link with this share button. As you can see, I just made it today. And what you then have to do is you have to click transfer to transfer the funds you have in your account from your derivatives account to your copy trading account. All right, you can transfer it right there. And once you have transferred it, you can actually click the link down in the description to follow me as a principal trader. You have to follow me, insert some settings about how much capital you want to allocate, and some other settings. And then you follow me. I will soon start trading on this account. I'll first make sure some people have the time to actually join from the beginning. So that's basically how you can easily follow my trades if you want to. Again, or if you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments or in the Discord, because it's important that if you have any questions about it, you can ask them and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. But for now though, that is the tutorial. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Bye.